In today's video, I will walk you through how to place a limit order on Deribit to minimize trading fees. To minimize trading fees on Deribit, your goal is to make sure your order acts as a maker instead of a taker. A maker order adds liquidity to the order book, while a taker order removes liquidity by filling immediately. Makers pay lower fees, and for certain instruments such as futures, you can even receive a maker rebate. Keep in mind that simply choosing a limit order does not guarantee maker status. If your limit price matches or crosses the current market price, it will execute immediately as a taker order. To begin, open the order panel for the asset you want to trade, whether it is futures, perpetuals, or options. In the order entry ticket, find the order type menu and select limit. Next comes the most important part of the process. Scroll to the special or order attributes section near the bottom of the order ticket. Find the post only option and enable it by checking the box or turning on the toggle. Post only acts as a safeguard to help prevent your order from becoming a taker order. If you accidentally enter a buy limit order above the current ask price or a sell limit order below the current bid price, a normal limit order would execute immediately. With post only enabled, Deribit automatically adjusts or reprices your order so it is exactly one tick away from the best available market price. This forces your order into the order book as a maker instead of allowing it to execute immediately. If you are using advanced settings, check your order configuration before continuing. Make sure you are not using Iceberg settings that hide part of your order size. While the visible portion of an Iceberg order receives maker fees, any execution that reaches the hidden portion is charged the higher taker fee. To receive the maker discount on the full amount of your order, keep the entire order size visible. Once those settings are confirmed, enter your desired order amount and order price. Make sure your buy price is below the current best ask, or if you are placing a sell order, make sure your sell price is above the current best bid. After reviewing your order details, click buy or sell to place the order. Your order will remain in the order book instead of executing immediately. When another trader fills your order, it will qualify for the maker fee tier or earn a maker rebate where applicable. Thank you for watching.